Hello and welcome to another exciting tutorial on my channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create blog posts, captions, generate captions, headline, even social media posts with just a reference picture using Canva. This is an interesting tutorial, and if you stick to the end of this tutorial, I promise you you're going to learn something new. All right, so let's dive right in. I'll be using a reference image. So I have my image here. This image, let's say I want to write about cosmetics and I'm short of words, not I don't have the right words to, you know, write about cosmetics, or maybe I'm blank about what to write, but I know I want to write about cosmetics with this image. So here is what I can do. I'll just scroll down to apps to find social below. I already have it opened here. This is the app Social Below. That's You can just go to apps and search for it, Social Below. Now, what we would do here is, because there are a lot of things there, let me show you a lot of things that you can do with this app. You can make it your assistant to have a conversation over anything that over any idea. You can also write articles, you can write blog posts, you can use it to generate captions, you can start a discussion with this app. You can also review your design. Let's say you have a design, or maybe with this image you want to review this image. You can also do that. You can use this to generate an email based on this image. You can also write an essay about this image, headlines, hashtags, how to, ideas, brainstorm on ideas, post, press releases. You know, let's say you're working for a cosmetics brand, you have your image right inside this Canva editor and you want to write a press release on it. You can just select the image and then choose what you want to write. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to write about, you can also write a product description with your image, with your products right inside here. You can write a product description, you know, quite a number of things. You can even tell a story about an image. So, but the key thing is that there has to be an image for you to, use this app. So for the purpose of this, we're just going to focus on writing a blog post. So let's select blog post. That's what we want to do. And then I'll use current design. So this is my design. I'll just select it. I'll just click on that current design. So it will bring up this interface. I'll click on export. And let's wait for it to load. So I have my image right inside here. Now I can enter the keywords or topics about this product, right? So that it can have an idea of what I have in mind. So I'm just going to say, I'm just going to enter some keywords like cosmetics, beauty, skincare. So any related, keyword about the image I have, I'm just going to enter them here. So as you can see, cosmetics, beauty, skincare, they are all, let me use beauty product instead. Beauty product. So these are my keywords. If I have more, I would also enter them. So with my image here, my keywords, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on create content. So it will create the content for me. All right, so here is my blog post, the ever-evolving world of cosmetics. So this is my blog post. Now, if I have a blog, I can always go ahead and publish this on my blog. And if I wanted to continue writing, I can keep on giving it prompts right inside here to continue writing. Now, if I want to bring in this into my design, because there's no space on this design to have this inside the blog post written here, I just bring it into my design so that I can copy it and then paste it in a document where I can edit it, right? So this is how you can use this app to generate your blog posts. I'm going to delete this. let's try generating, because I still have some tokens left. Let's try generating a social media post. So I'm going to start a new interaction, and then I'll select social media posts. Social media posts. I'm also going to enter keywords here. The same keywords I used earlier: cosmetics, beauty product, and what again? Skincare, yeah. And then I'll click on create content. So this is my post here. This is my post. Discover the secret to radiant skin with top tier cosmetics and skincare products. Which product is your go-to? So this is my social media post. The social media it has generated for us. If I want more, I can also enter another prompt here and ask it to continue generating social media posts. Now you can see how easy it is to use this app in Canva to generate all sort of content: social media posts, blog posts, press releases, discussion, brainstorming on ideas with just a reference image. Now I want you to go ahead and try it. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to guide you. I'll be there to respond to you. And if you found value in this tutorial, I hope you give me a like and also subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to this channel. And I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. Bye.